What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So what is SoFi doing since last week Friday? And you can see that it did trend up higher. We did bounce off of support at the lows of the range, 694. I think I was expecting higher prices because we were at the lows of the range. So that's one leg up right there. Second leg up, target is met. And then that's when we saw that selling. But we can draw a trend line off the swing lows. And it looks like we're still maintaining the upward momentum. So it looks pretty good to the upside. I'm expecting higher prices. We can probably reach the top side of the range at the 787. So in the meantime, it looks pretty good to the upside. Even though we reached the measurement target, I think, with the range and this trend line patterns, we can probably see higher prices. So overall, I think we're going to probably see short-term bullish price action for SoFi to the upside. But in the macro picture, it's still a range pattern. So until we can break outside this range, I'm not expecting anything crazy. We did see a failed breakout on the bottom, which can lead to a breakout on the top as well. So there's multiple reasons why price has a higher chance of continuing higher than lower. It looks like we can also come back to this trend line right over here. So overall, most likely we're going to see higher prices for SoFi because of this trend line, because of the range pattern. When we hit the lows, price will go to the highs, and we did see a failed breakout on the bottom, which can lead to a breakout on the top. For the bears, we did reach the measuring target, but we did find support from the trend line. So I think overall, there's more things going for the bulls than the bears as of right now. Looking at the weekly chart, this could lead to a massive breakout eventually because all this is one large leg right here. And the bears were attempting to make a second leg down. This is one leg right here. This is the start of the second leg. And you can see that this was the first attempt that failed, second attempt, and this could be the second attempt, or the third push that failed. So after this correction, we could see a large rally towards the upside, a breakout towards the upside for SoFi once it breaks this downward trend line. But as right now, it's looking like it can. It basically looks like a triangle pattern, a flag. You see something like this, where we can break out to the upside. So it's looking like something like that. We'll see how it plays out. But as right now, it's looking pretty good. This trend line was pretty shallow right over here, but now we can draw a new one. This one right here, we're bouncing off that level. So we'll see what happens. But as right now, SoFi looking pretty good in the short term. We'll see what happens at resistance levels, somewhere in the high sevens, low eights, and then we'll go from there. So that's all I have for SoFi Technologies this week, Friday. Most likely, I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.